Hi guys! Interested ba kayo sa Indonesian food? We found a spot here in Vista Mall, Santa Rosa. Enjoy watching! Please have a look sa menu. Iba-iba pong Indonesian food ang makikita natin dito. From the counter, you can also directly see how they are preparing your food. They also have Indonesian sauces you can try on.
Wow!
Para makita po natin ang stall, please take an entrance to Tim Hortons side ng Vista Mall and look for Communion. Then, just go straight and si Senduk and Garpu ay pang third stall.
Selamat siang teman-teman. Hari ini sama suami saya kami mau makan yang ayam goreng dan ini sate ayam sama ini tahu isi. Selamat makan. Terima kasih teman-teman saya. Bye bye.
Mo na lang.
Para kasi nampag ko yun.
Me. Anghang. Sarap. Okay. Etong sate ayam, tikman mo. Ito, sinasaw-saw sa, dito, ketchup manis. Yan. Wow. Yes, sarap, sarap. Hello guys. Nandito naman po kami sa Paseo. Samahan niyo po kami at kami hahanap ng pangregalo kay
What?
So guys, nandito tayo sa sports outlet. At bibili tayo ng gift. It's cool. Uwi na po kami. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.